प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की अध्यक्षता में मंत्रिमंडल की बैठक हुई और 21वें सदी के एक नई शिक्षा नीति को उसमें मंजूरी दी गई। यह बेहद महत्वपूर्ण है क्योंकि 34 साल से शिक्षा नीति में परिवर्तन नहीं हुआ था।
The New Education Policy 2020, a bold move of Indian government. The education system is the foundation of a vibrant democratic society. In the year 1986, last national policy on education was introduced and revised in 1992. In 2019, a panel led by former ISRO chief K. Kasturirangan has submitted the draft to new national education policy to HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal. It was finally approved on July 29 after 34 years gap. The timeline of implementation. The aim of the policy is to transform the education system by 2040. This is a long way to go, but we should not forget to appreciate the policy. There are over 100 action points from the policy. Implementation will be done in phases based on time, region, and types of institutions with institutes of eminence. Some Indian Institute of Technology are working on developing technical structure of academic credit bank, which will also be established by December, and new students will start joining by next year. Some key points. Some important key features of the policy are breakfast program along with midday meal scheme, introduction of vocational education at the upper primary level, medium of language will be regional until at least grade 5. A series of reforms have been proposed in higher education also. 4-year undergraduate program, integrated education have been added. Amid of these, some points, although important, but failed to stand themselves in the final policy, like doubling the expenditure in education sector, State School Education Regulatory Authority. Difficulties. The whole thing is a long-term process of converting affiliated colleges into degree granting autonomous institute and further into fully fledged university is estimated to take at least 15 years. The second thing is that such funding at this time can put pressure on nation's economy. We Indians do know how the previous system was and how the students became the victims of the system. A family's reputation always recognized by how the member treats each other and how they deal with society. Similarly, a country develops as more people literate and how developed the educational system is. So hoping India to be a superpower, we can expect some better future, some educated and energized youth with a great mindset.